Welcome everybody again. Thanks for joining us today on Reality Practice Live Q&A. Today we're going to be discussing the idea of shifting realities, how we actually can do that, and how it's happening basically every day, every second. We just don't realize it because we live in the world that we perceive as the present moment.
That jumping in timelines is absolutely necessary in order for us to step up into a higher version, because some of us don't understand where the higher version lives.
And I think it's happening every single day. I think of it as when we wake up every morning, we're being reprogrammed. It's like, we're just a computer system, and each morning it has to reboot itself. And it reboots itself with the memories we have downloaded of our past.
Every day, as Joey said, we wake up and our brain goes back to the old programming. So sometimes we think that the universe is outside of us, but everything is inside of us. There is nothing outside, absolutely nothing outside.
So we're choosing either consciously or subconsciously what direction and what reality we want to live out and be on at that moment in time.